Hello everybody, welcome back to the Autosportivo YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please just push that like button, the subscribe button. There's a lot of you guys that are watching and you're not pushing the subscribe button, and it would mean a hell of a lot to me if you did, because it all helps in the future. Right, so part 2. We've done a part 1. Hope you enjoyed that. John, hope you enjoyed part 1 of how far we've come with it. Today's part 2. And we have got the bonnet in stock, we've got the timing belts all in stock. We're going to give it an oil change and see how we get on with that. And then maybe, I've got some M-Tech drilled, grooved in discs as well. So we'll see how we get on, and we might fit them on it as well, and then take it out for a test drive.
Yes, unfortunately you've only got me and Ant today.
Yeah, but we all know how much JP loves Fiat coupes. So.
The one job that I hate doing as well.
Yes.
Cam belt. I think every job that every person hates doing on their coupe.
Well, I just made you do a clutch master cylinder. And
and that takes longer to do than a cam belt on these.
Oh.
All fun.
Yeah,
all fun.
It is all fun.
But doing it for a good cause, so
yeah, we are doing this for a good cause. So just think of John's smiley face while he's watching us doing his car.
No, he's going to be laughing at going, I'm making this JP fella get all these crap jobs now. He's having to put a smile on to fix this coupe up.
We could do this.
Normal service will be resumed after this coupe.
We could do this. We do these in our sleep, these cars. So yeah, let's get the car in, let's get it on the ramp, and let's do the time belt first.
Yeah, to get it done. It's muggy as well, ain't it?
Yeah,
so
it's muggy. There's loads of thunderflies keep attaching to my skin. It's annoying. All right, cool. Let's get it in.
Let's crack on.
Okay, right. Car's on the ramp, and the first little job we're going to do, get rid of the bonnet.
Yeah, we're going to take it off and throw it around a little bit.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's get it off, and we'll swap it over with a green one. And then once it's all running, this car I'll send it off for paint.
Well, can't we just get random, can we not just mix and match other coupes to make a Harlequin coupe?
What, different coloured doors, different colour boot lid?
Yeah.
With all the parts and panels I've got in stock, I could do that.
Yeah, let's mix and match them, screw it.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? Harlequin coupe, everybody?
No, John ain't going to appreciate that.
One of one in the world.
John Paul, I know you hate coupes, but that's a bit harsh.
Right, let's get this bonnet off then.
All right. Right, okay, so because these are LE headlights, I've got to remove them off this bonnet. I'm going to get them refurbed and then put on the new bonnet. That's what I'm going to do. Might as well while they're off, eh? Make it look nice. Yeah, you did say that.
Where are you going?
We spin it the other way round.
Right, just want it. Where are you going?
It's a big bonnet.
There you go. Mind the paintwork. Nah, that's not so timing, mate.
Right.
What are you using? What is the cam locking tool for?
To stop the cams from going out of sync when we're doing the belt.
So then it stays in time.
Exactly. Cameraman knows more than us. Why is he not doing this?
Why are you answering your own questions?
Because you're supposed to be answering them, but you're not answering them, so I've got to answer them apparently. They're bored of answering questions. They get on with their work. I'm trying to get you to talk to the camera.
So, I'm sick and tired of constantly undoing these bleeding engine mounts on these cars and constantly getting coupe dust in my eyes. So, I forced Ant to buy some safety goggles. So, there we go, kiddies. Safety first. Right, that's the tensioner done. Let's see if we can get this. So old cam belt's now off, so let's have a little look and see what it's like. And to be fair, actually quite new, looks quite new, but because of the age and how long it's been sat, it's just not worth the risk.
New.
It's old new.
Like mixed brakes.
Yes, it was new 14 years ago. But yes, it's not too bad actually, to be fair. And looking at the tensioner and the water pump, that looks quite new as well. So yeah, not too bad. It's been looked after. Put your hands up and pull your trousers down, boy.
Up.
Putting on some rubber, which I'm not used to putting
rubber on.
Not used to putting rubber on.
The number of offspring JP carries, it is unlikely he's ever used a rubber before. However, on this occasion, it is required by the client.
Right, so this is the belt that goes between the auxiliary components to the crank, and it's one of the belts. As you can see, the cam belt was perfect, but you see this one with the age, look at them cracks.
That is cracky.
And it's this belt and this belt that normally goes and will take out your cam belt. So if a car's been sat in the cam belt,
snaps, it pulls the other one off.
yes, little bits of it will go in behind the cam belt and then takes that out and then takes out the head.
Not good.
And it has happened to me before. So yes, always keep an eye on your aux belts.
You've done all right today, JP.
Yeah.
I know you hate these cars. Let's all give JP a thumbs up.
Give me 2 shite jobs today. Cam belt on one and then a master cylinder on another.
And you loved every minute of it.
Yes, every minute of it.
Over to me. That's it. I'm in. Get the
Yeah,
broomstick.
so am I.
Get
Right,
the broomstick. Yeah.
this might explode.
Green brand new, bro, that.
It's your camera, it's broken. It's black to me.
JP's head.
Come on! Yeah! That got sketchy around that corner. Ooh.
Distress blow.
That's how you do the rat look. Oh! Spartans!
It has got very dirty because it's been sat round the back. But there's no point cleaning it again because it's going off to the body shop. So when it comes back, it's going to be fresh. We're going to take this out for its first road test in however many years. I think he said since 2008. I can't remember. John, what was it? But this is for you. Your car is driving for the first time in many years. We've got no fuel, so we might break down. God, gear changes are nice. Clutch feels good. Saggy roof line, we'll do that, we'll change that. There's no knocks or bangs. I'll shut the window.
Window works.
Window works. Oh, those tyres.
What?
Oh, I can feel them tyres are bad.
Well, how old are they? 2008?
They're like,
It's because they're flat.
they've got flat spots on them. I can feel it. The car, can you not feel that?
No, you'll probably feel it for the steering wheel. You're getting the feedback.
Yeah, I can feel that. It's really bad.
I'd imagine the tyres are rock hard right now.
And they're making a lot of road noise.
Well, let's not go too mad because if they're that old, they might split.
Oil bar pressure's good.
He's on 3 bar.
I don't like them tyres though. That feels awful.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Can you feel it?
It's making a weird noise.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to treat it to some new shoes.
Some Crocs, yeah?
Yep. Okay, good thing is there's no knocking or banging from the suspension. That feels good.
Any
Feels
play in the
tight.
steering?
Steering, I think the tracking needs doing.
I can see by what you're holding it, but is it, did it turn instantly or is there delay?
No, there's no delay. That's instant. Oh, I'm saying it brakes.
Oh.
Feel that.
Pedal feels good?
Yeah, pedal feels good. Clutch feels good. It's just the handling, and that's just due to the tyres and tracking. That's it.
Yeah, I can see there's a bit of feedback. Well, steering's vibrating a bit.
But those tyres, man, terrible. That's been sat for a long time. Every time we take a car out that's been sat for so long, we break down. Oh, look at that. See that?
Oh, that's a lot of blue smoke.
Oh, that's blue smoke there.
Yeah, that was quite a large cloud.
That was, wasn't it?
Oh, it stinks. It's come through here as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, turbo gonna need doing now. Oh.
At the moment he says, oh, look, car breaks down, all of a sudden a cloud of blue smoke just magically appears out of thin air.
At least we don't need to do a clutch.
No. Yeah.
So, my next plan will be, I'll order some tyres. I think I'm going to change discs and pads.
You need to.
Yeah, I've got some in stock.
So you're probably getting feedback, so I bet you they'll be thinking the age of them, they'll be warping.
Should we do an emergency stop? Hold on.
It's actually alright for discs that have been
Stood for like
that long.
years.
And for tyres that are rock hard.
That's definitely standard.
I've also noticed that the fuel gauge seems to be moving up and down a bit.
Oh, it is, isn't it? It's starting to move now.
So I don't know if it's maybe a bit...
Hold on, guys, do another emergency stop. Can you hear that? Get all the
Them
rust.
old brakes, yeah.
Yeah, getting the rust off.
I bet that left a cloud of smoke.
It didn't. Oh, okay. Jobs to do. Left, right. It's got to go for paint.
Yep.
Discs and pads all round, might as well, and new tyres. And the LE headlights, I'm going to get refurbed so they look... Oh, I need a splitter at the front, a lip.
Yeah, because one of them looks like Pac-Man's been at it.
Yeah, it looks like it's been chewed.
And obviously you need to possibly change the turbo.
Yeah.
What's the temperature like? Is it
Temperature's good, below 90. Oil bar's good, so we've got a good, healthy engine. It's alright. It just needs a lot of
The
TLC.
battery's charging, it's on.
Yeah, battery's charging. I think this car just needs TLC. I don't put my foot down though to like see if it's boosting proper.
Yeah, no, not yet. As I say, that's you like being in a coma, they wake you up and stick you on a treadmill at the fastest possible speed.
It's definitely standard power. John, I hope you're smiling. I hope you're sitting there on the other end of that TV screen, smiling, seeing your car drive again. We made it. We had Nick on standby if we broke down. Because every car we take out breaks down when we take it for a road test. Right guys, that concludes today. Well done, John Paul.
Yeah, I've had enough.
So yeah, I've given John Paul 2 big ass jobs. Sorry man, but you done well. Clutch master cylinder and a timing belt.
I've got your money worth out of me today.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Yay. And she lives. We've got another one back on the road. See guys, we don't smash them all up and break them, do we?
Most of them.
Most of it, but we do rescue some, like this one. So this one is now living. And as you saw, we went on the road test and she's driving fine. A couple more things, turbo, paint, and brakes, tyres. That's it.
Yeah, and just general tarting up.
And then we'll prep it ready for its MOT. But John, again, I hope you're watching, smiling, and this is your car that you gave me to put back on the road because you wanted to watch it at home on YouTube. Again, thank you for doing this and letting me work on this thing.
Bloody wasps.
You're getting a bit red.
I'm getting because I'm cooking.
All right, I'm going to
Kind of
end.
gas mark 6.
Oh, it's ginger people problems.
Cooking for your entertainment.
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Are we done now?
Yeah.
Because I'm going to dive head first in that puddle in a minute because I'm cooking. Pub, yes.
Let's go pub.
Let's take the jolly bus.
Yeah.